So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV drive. So up first is Magoebaskloof Pass. So we just got off the off-road track and I have to say it was pretty fun. So now we're currently descending through the Magoebaskloof Pass region, and as you can see, the scenery is very beautiful and such a mesmerizing place to be driving in. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear the tire roar because this thing has some massive 255 wide tires, but most of the time I'm driving listening to music, so I hardly hear anything. So it's been great, man, living with this car. I think this is my third day with it and I've had so much fun with it. Look at this Stanford Lake, very beautiful. This side as well. Oh man, what a place to be. So torque and power is effortless. When you put your foot down, it doesn't necessarily have a very powerful shove or push, but the way it gains momentum is so nice, and this is decent power for every day-to-day use. So I wouldn't fault it in any way. And I have to say, this one has the base engine, actually, the 2-liter TDI with 125 kilowatts. You can also get the 2-liter bi TDI with 2 turbos and 154 kilowatts. There's also the V6 in the upper trims with 184 kilowatts. So the base engine, man, is also adequate. I don't find myself feeling like I need any more push or power out of it. It just does it all. And I quite like how I'm driving it like I'm in a sports car, the way I'm leaning on these curves and stuff. But it can absolutely do it, hey? Like, look at the momentum we're pulling at the moment. So it's pretty much capable. It's pretty much capable. The mirrors are nice and big, so you have a great view of your surroundings, because this is a really massive vehicle. It's really big, but when you're inside you don't really get a sense of its size. When you see it outside, oh man, it's something else. It's a huge vehicle. And yeah, man, look at how beautiful the scenery is. Breathtaking, to say the least. And I quite like the roar of the diesel motor, hey? Even when you put your foot down, you can hear it hauling away. Listen to that. Yeah. I love these sort of vehicles because they are everything in one. You have a family SUV, you have a workhorse, you have a comfort cruiser, all in one package, because this is actually quite comfortable, hey, to cruise in. It's really nice. It's such a sublime drive. The suspension is nice and bouncy, but that's if the road is pretty bumpy. But when it's smooth, oh man, it just feels nice and smooth. But you can tell that it's a heavy duty vehicle because of all that bouncing effect on every corner of the car, like from the tires and stuff. You can tell that it's big, it's chunky, it's got so much girth and weight to it. Look at this, man. Oh, this would be amazing in a sports car like a 911. One day, guys, best believe we'll be able to drive a proper sports car on this road. So now we're pretty much approaching the twistiest bit of this road. Yeah, the limit here is 60. That's how tight the curves are. Here we go. The infamous Magoebaskloof Pass. Look at this. Whoa. Going downhill on this road just takes so much out of a car. You really have to take it easy and slow because you can absolutely chow your brakes here because of how steep it is, especially if you're driving, say, like a performance car and you really want to push it. I recommend you push it going uphill or going the other way around. But the Amarok is doing it all. It's got massive brakes, so even the braking performance is quite good on this big bucky. So on the next bit of this video, we'll take it through the off-road stretch. Oh man, this is crazy, but it's also very fun. This stretch is actually restricted. Okay, let's go back. Let us go back. So let's actually try and go down here. Yeah, this is so much fun, I have to say. I don't even know where I'm going, but it looks like this is the end of this small stretch of road. Let's see. Oh my goodness, there is no way I'm going down there. I'm just going to turn over here, make a quick U-turn.